Welcome back to another video, guys. So we're gonna continue our build today. We actually got the part that we need. Here's our dampener for our chain. So right now, that's gonna be the first thing that we're gonna start on. I'm just gonna go ahead and kickstart that. It is freezing out here today, so I'm gonna go ahead and just try to work as fast as possible so I can get out of here. But I'm gonna try to do as much as I can. I don't know how far I'm gonna be able to get. God knows if we'll run into this scenario again where I just like forget a random part like this, but we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up and we'll go from there. So I actually have to take out these bushings. These have to get pressed out and then the bracket will just mount directly onto the plastic bore of this dampener. So I'm gonna take like a 9mm or something, get it against this vise and press it out, see what happens. So it looks like I got everything aligned. I'm gonna send it and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't break, because if it breaks, it's game over. You guys are gonna have a 2-minute video. Oh, too easy. Got my dampener on and have these Allen bolts politely tightened now, and I'm gonna do 18 foot-pounds here and then that should be all set. So yeah, super excited. Moving along a lot faster than we were yesterday. But so I'm gonna get this stuff on real quick. I'll film here and there. It's a little bit harder to do it with one person, but I'll try my best. All right, so these are torqued, 18 foot-pounds. Next up, our oil pump. So we don't have to do too much here. We don't have to do any lubing or anything like that. Our spring is already in place, or should be at least, because it came with the extra spring that has a lower spring rate or compression rate. I don't know if that's what it's called, but you guys get the idea. So I'm just gonna get these teeth aligned. And same thing with this oil pump, 18 foot-pounds. There's gonna be 4 bolts holding it. It's not a how-to again. I'm just walking through the steps. Doing the once over. These felt a little slick. Good. And good. Nice. There's something you won't see every day. Justin's actually working. Shut the Dude, don't cuss. We can't cuss. I spent like 30 minutes trying to edit all of your cuss words out last night. Jeez. I'm just playing. Justin's been in class all day. So he just got home, made some dinner, some Alfredo, chicken. Yeah. But he was just cleaning the bolts over here and got this baffle or windage tray cleaned up. Got most of the gunk off of it. So engine is flopped upside down. Gonna get that on. Gave that one last clean. What do you think? It's gonna be the last time you see the bottom of this engine.
Hopefully. Hopefully. Unless we have any accidents.
No, dude, if we have something, I think your car is freaking cursed, dude.
Yeah, me too.
18. 13. It's gonna be at 18 here in a second. 18.
just spit on it, dude. It'll go in.
Damn! Tighter than a rat's ball.
Nice save.
Alright, now we just have to. I don't know. I'm guessing.
I'll hold right here.
Where's my. Good call, dude. Just need a little bit of force, a little bit of muscle. No, I'm saying. 18.1. Cool. You don't have steel for it.
Oh yeah.
But, damn. It is game over, man. Don't tell me it is.
That's all she wrote, dude.
Yup. Damn it! I literally said at the start of this video, I really hope there's nothing else that's gonna stop this from happening, and here we go.
Well, GG's.
Day 2, guys. I actually got a head start on moving the block from the stand because I needed to get my oil gallery plug in there. So got this in and cleaned my surface off for the gasket, which is right here. And oh, the other thing is got my my rear oil seal on here. See, I think it'll help that the seal's like sticking out a little bit here and there.
I agree too.
Just to get that nice seal. Now that I tighten those two, I'm gonna check it one more time. Let's see what we got. See, again, the seal doesn't let it sit down nicely, but over here, there's less than 2/1000 of an inch.
Yeah, for
Here,
sure.
there's less than 2/1000. Same thing, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, here it's like touching, like there's nothing.
Yeah, I'll tighten it up.
I think we're good. If not, we'll learn the hard way.
Yeah. Pull the engine and tighten it back up or something. I don't know. We'll actually get the tool at that point.
I'll check it once more after I tighten all the bolts.
Yeah, because I can move it a little bit.
After this, oil pan.
Yes, sir. And then after oil pan, headers, right? Or the heads.
I think so.
I'll work on the heads.
Done. All this crud off of here. Well, it's just oil. Seems pretty clean. And then look up at our torque specs. Dude.
This is exciting, man.
Yeah, that's for sure. What I am gonna do too is get some oil on this baby. It does the job, it does the job.
You're supposed to be squeezing it out of the other side?
Yep, but it's dried up. All I got.
Just cut it out.
Should be good. Shouldn't put a crazy amount. Okay, looks good.
Yeah.
You know what I'll do? I'll torque those to 18 foot-pounds, and then I'll use my hand to like kind of gauge how tight it is, and then I'll do these.
So I'm saying.
Well, actually, I can't torque any.
Yeah, you can. Those are smaller. You can torque those down to 18. Or are those the ones that are supposed to be torqued down to 9?
Probably not.
Cause didn't you read some that are supposed to be torqued down to 9?
Yep. Well, like 8 or 9. It was 106 foot-pounds. Or not foot-pounds, inch-pounds.
Inch-pounds. Yee, you scratched already. Damn. Oh, another one.
So freaking scratchy scratch. Alright, you know what we need to do before we make a stupid mistake with our look? Cover up these bung holes.
Oh, that's true. We don't want anything getting in the bung holes, dude.
What's that for? Oh, another bung hole.
Cover all the bung holes. Hear that? That's the sound of
Freedom. Fucking American, dude.
freedom rings, mother. Just
Mother trucker.
look at that. Starting to look like an engine now.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Woo!
She's getting a thick boy. She grew a little beard.
Well, I'm gonna get those heads finished, dude. I need to get going on that.
Did you order this yet?
That's the part that I ordered incorrectly.
Nice, dude. Why is it incorrectly?
So, for some reason, I was like, okay, we just got to get rid of these sensors, right?
Yeah.
Because knock sensors will now go to the side of the block, somewhere in here, which that might be. Oh no, I think we can put those there. Anyways, the other thing too is crank positioning sensor, which goes here for Gen 3s. But for Gen 4s, I'm not entirely sure it moves. I know that now the sensor is here.
Mm-hmm.
But what I don't know is, do I still need the sensor or not?
Well, you're
My guess right now, I'm like 80 to 90% sure is that I don't need the sensor. So I should have got the plate that actually blocks this off straight and has an opening here only. So that's a problem.
So you're just gonna order a new one? Or return this?
Well, like, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna do some research first to see if that's what we need. But yeah, so we gotta get the heads completed. We have everything. Like I said.
So we say.
Yeah. So, I don't know. This might be a 3-part video, I guess. Think Sunday we film and get the heads going, or what do you think?
Yeah, I'm not sure about Sunday. Because Angel's gonna be here, but I could come help you for a little bit. An hour or so, leave him inside. Just chilling.
That's fine. Not I could just film. That might just be like me setting up the camera and like doing the head work on that table. Here's our water pump. So we went with a F-body style water pump. Should work. This. So here's something cool. So if we take a look at this truck water pump over here, side by side comparison. Truck water pump, there's inlets and outlets on the same side as opposed to this one, which is on this side. See that? So therefore we can keep the outlet on the same side. We'll obviously have to come up, but at least we won't have to go all the way around.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to use that. And the other thing that's kind of cool, I guess, is that there's actually F-body water pumps that also have the inlet and outlets on the side. It's just this particular part number that has it on left and right side.
That's pretty cool.
So yeah, that's pretty cool. Downside is that we can't use that tensioner, which I ordered. We have to use a different one, and that will go like that.
Nice.
Yep. I guess that's pretty much it for today, guys. Just gonna wrap up this video. Next video, we'll be tackling the heads. So, thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We're getting close. Take a look, take a look. And yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, please. Thank you.